In today's video, I'll be showing you the best Forex brokers with a low minimum deposit. And as well as looking into the minimum deposit, we're also going to be taking a look to see what sort of regulation they have, as well as a look into some of the features that they offer. So the first broker is FBS, and they have a minimum deposit of just $5. In terms of regulation, they're regulated by the International Financial Services Commission, as well as SEC, also known as the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. It allows for cent, micro, standard, zero spread and ECN accounts, and the spreads start from just 0 pips. It supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and they also have free deposit insurance and regular contests for traders. Next we have XM, and they also have a minimum deposit of just $5. Now they're also regulated by the same people that FBS are. However, they're also regulated by ASIC, also known as the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. They support micro, standard, XM ultra low and shares accounts, and they have tight spreads from 0.6 pips. They also support MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and they have a negative balance protection which ensures that clients do not lose money more than their account balance. Next we have Forex, and they have a minimum deposit of $10. In terms of regulation, they're regulated by the International Financial Services Commission, and the account types that they support include Pro Cent, Pro Standard, ECN, Prime, and R Trader, and they also have low spreads from 0 pips. In terms of platforms, they do support MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, however, they also support CTrader. And in terms of additional services, they have Copy FX, which allows for copy trading, VPS hosting for uninterrupted trading, and they have bonus programs. Next, we have IQ Option, which has a minimum deposit of just $10. In terms of regulation, they're regulated by the Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission, and the account types that they have include the standard and the VIP account. They have competitive spreads, but in terms of platforms, IQ Option is the platform, and it's known for its user-friendly interface. And finally, we have Forex.com. Now, Forex.com's minimum deposit is a little bit higher than the others shown in this video. However, in my opinion, it's worth it. The minimum deposit is $100. However, it's very well regulated, and you can ensure that you'll be safe no matter where you are in the world. Its account types include the standard, the commission, and the DMA accounts, and it's also got really tight spreads. Now, Forex.com is an advanced trading platform, however, it also supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And considering the strong regulatory oversight that ensures that your funds are safe, I think that this is one of the best bets if you can afford the minimum deposit. Other than that, this has been my video showing you the best Forex brokers with a low minimum deposit. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.